मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया. Hello from this beautiful mountain town in Malaysia, which is called Kundasang. So today morning we took a flight from Singapore to Kota Kinabalu, and then we took a 2 to 2.5 hour car ride and reached this town. Just checked in into our hotel homestay. It's a very peaceful place. You can see the beautiful view behind me, and the road, the drive on the way was also quite pretty. आज ना थोड़ी सी बारिश हो रही है, इसके कारण जो mountains है, they're all misty and it's giving a very mysterious kind of a vibe to it. First thing I'm going to do is give you a quick tour of our room, which is quite nice, basic, but I think the highlight has to be the view behind me. Hi, that's our room. Actually, this is a sofa bed, and this is the actual bed, and that's the bathroom. Quite nice, but the highlight is the balcony. यहाँ सुबह सुबह दिखेगा होपफुली माउंट किनाबालू. अभी तो पूरा फॉग से ढका हुआ है. Today our plan is to just chill, do nothing, and take in this beautiful view. It's so peaceful over here, and the best part is the temperature is also quite low. I think about 18-19 degrees, which is why it's feeling quite nice coming from Singapore. Tomorrow we will go and check out a few places around जो यहाँ पे जो touristy चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए. Also, Kino wants to say hi. Say hi. Are you enjoying Kundasang so far? What did you do? Play. What did you like the most till now? The mountains?
Yeah, the mountains
And the fish?
and the fish.
I can see. कुछ करने को तो था नहीं, तो अभी हम नीचे आए हुए हैं to this mini golf course thing, and we are just exploring this place. And इतना peaceful है यार, यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. I am just loving it. The temperature is so lovely. आवाज़ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. Scenery इतनी beautiful है, ऐसा लग रहा है बिल्कुल nature के बीच में हम chill मार रहे हैं. I'm loving it. How's it going?
Mama, I should come here.
I have to also play? Come, let's play.
No. No.
Oh, miss.
White ball. No.
No?
Mama, take white ball.
Let's see if Papa is able to do yellow ball. Oh my God.
Put it again. Can you please try again? Put it. Put it in here. Yes. Now you stand. Oh.
Good morning. आज सुबह सुबह हम उठे and we can see Mount Kinabalu in its full glory, and at this point मुझे लग रहा है कि ट्रिप आना सक्सेसफुल हो गया और हमने सब देख लिया और कुछ ज़्यादा देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'll have to say though कि जो फॉग्स हैं एंड क्लाउड्स हैं, they are already hovering up. So थोड़ी ही देर में Kinabalu is going to be hidden again. So I thought I'll show you guys while I can. इसके बाद आज हमारा दिन का प्लान है. There's a dairy farm, there's some alpaca farm, and छोटे मोटे व्यू पॉइंट्स है आसपास. There's a botanical garden inside Kinabalu National Park. You know, इस जगह को कहा जाता है the Switzerland of either Asia or Malaysia, and finally I'm starting to see why. we are finally out and about and waiting for our car now, and still can't get over the breathtaking view behind me. If you are able to see, the clouds are actually already coming in. तुम करो ये सब. अभी हम बैठे हुए हैं देसा डेयरी फार्म के अंदर एंड थोड़ा बहुत हमने देख लिया, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है देखने के लिए, बस सेटिंग बहुत सुंदर है एंड बहुत सारे फ्रेश मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. एंड वी ऑर्डर्ड, फ़िलहाल तो मैंने एक आइसक्रीम जो नेचुरल योगर्ट है वो ऑर्डर किया है. इट्स फ्रोज़न योगर्ट एसेंशियली, फ्रेश लग रहा है. और भी बहुत सारे योगर्ट्स, स्मॉल फ्लेवर्ड योगर्ट्स, मिल्क पैकेट्स वगैरह है जो कि आई रियली वांट टू ट्राई. चॉकलेट मिल्क, कॉफ़ी मिल्क एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. Already at the next stop now, and this is the alpaca farm. This one was a little bit expensive. वहाँ पे ना देसा डेयरी फार्म में तो entry ticket was just like 10 ringgits for 3 of us, but here it is 75. So quite expensive. Anyway, they have slots, so we are waiting for a slot to open up. I do see a lot of alpacas here. They're all pet and they look quite big. However, the best part of all of these places, I think, are not the animals but the setting. Like, look at the view behind me. So nice.
आगे
भाई मैं नहीं खिला रही.
दे, मुझे दे स्वामी.
ना, आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग. अबे ये तो तेरे से काफी कम खाया.
To feed this.
Feed it. Head. Yes, very good.
क्यों?
ब्लॉक होता रहेगा.
Mount Kinabalu. So we climbed like 15 minutes and came up on the top of this hill called the Sosorikon Hill, and the views from here are indeed breathtaking. Abhi to Kota Kinabalu is hidden, Mount Kinabalu is hidden, but you can see the head of it. अगर ये दिख रहा होता तो कितना अमेजिंग लग रहा होता यार, बट उसके बिना भी इट्स जस्ट breathtaking. It's a very beautiful view. So right now we are inside the Kinabalu park. यहाँ की एंट्रेंस फी वॉज 50 RMB पर पर्सन। एंड अभी हम बोटानिकल गार्डन के अंदर है। काफ़ी मॉसी सा फॉरेस्ट है, एकदम ग्लैडिएटर टाइप की फील आ रही है। बाकी तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा क्या है देखने के लिए। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्लोरा एंड फौना तो है ही, बट इट्स क्वाइट नाइस। एक्चुअली बारिश नहीं हुई है, सो इट्स ड्राई बट इट्स शेडेड, सो नाइस।
What is this sound?
This is
I think
camera
so, the
switching
camera.
on.
Keep walking.
Keep walking. चलो.
Finally, we are back to our resort and quite an interesting day I would have to say. काफ़ी सारे random से spots check out किए. My favorite was definitely the Sosodikon Hill because the views from there were quite amazing. And actually, there's not a lot to do here. The main USP is just watching the mountains and enjoying the peace essentially. And for that, I think two important tips are: number one is to bring your own car because, or like take a car rental. यहाँ पे taxis are very difficult to get. And number two, go out early because only in the mornings and maybe sometimes in the afternoons, like right now, it's Kinabalu is out in its full glory. अभी हमारे पास कोई एजेंडा नहीं है, हम आके काफ़ी देर सो गए एक्चुअली, 1.5 hours, एंड अभी हम चिल मारेंगे, उसके बाद खाना वाना खा के सो जाएंगे. सो आई डोंट थिंक आई विल ब्लॉग मच. विल सी यू टुमारो. Now you can say hi. Hi. What did you see in Kundasang?
Mountain.
And moo? Alpaca? What did you see?
And move eat food and other move eat food and bunny eat food
Bunny also eat food and alpaca?
and alpaca also eat food.
And then?
Then no more food.
Then no more food. Yeah,
Yeah.
food got finished. So अभी हम बैठे हुए हैं बाहर ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए and the weather is awesome. I am feeling a little bit sad कि हम थोड़ी देर में चेकआउट करने वाले हैं. उसके बाद हम चेकआउट करके जाएंगे कोटा किनाबालू and we'll spend one day only over there. Just to see what the town looks like. When we were coming, we saw that the town was very mountainy and nice also. The weather is so perfect and उसमें बैठे बैठे कॉफ़ी पीने का अलग ही मज़ा है. Bye bye, Kinabalu. We will miss. Bye bye, Kinabalu.
Bye bye, Kinabalu.
Hello from Kota Kinabalu. We came back from Kundasang to Kota Kinabalu and we are going to be here for just one night. We have just checked into our hotel, which is the Grand Hyatt, and that is the view. City view है, but on the opposite side lounge है. वहाँ पे पूरा waterfront view है, and that's quite beautiful. That's where we are headed. Let me give you a quick room tour. But आज we are just going to chill and maybe go to the waterfront area. And that's it. वैसे तो कोटा किनाबालू में काफ़ी कुछ है करने के लिए, but I don't think we have time or like energy. So that's the entrance. And as you get in, there's this mirror. Then there's an open bathroom sink area. Hi, Kino. That's the room. And that's the view outside. It's a city view. It's finally 6 p.m. and we are heading out. अब तक हमने पूरा chill मारा है. We sat in the lounge for such a long time, eating, doing nothing, looking at the view because anyway it was very hot outside. Oh my God, is it raining? I don't know if it's raining, but we are planning to go now out and to the waterfront area. There are a few restaurants. Maybe we'll have dinner over there and then come back. We are back to our room now and बस हम बाहर गए. जब तक हम बाहर पहुँचे तब तक सनसेट हो चुका था. जब तक हम वाटर फ्रंट में पहुँचे we had some Indian food and then came back and वापस आते आते पूरी थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्री की फील आ गई because there are no roads, no traffic, lot of crowd, obviously very hot also. But anyway, Kinu is already asleep and now we are going to sleep too. Good morning, breakfast time.
I thought I am tam ito. I am my top.
Time to leave for the airport now. Overall, it was a very short and sweet trip. Kundasang तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. Kota Kinabalu is like, I mean, there are things to do, but we never ended up doing some of those things क्योंकि यहाँ पे अच्छे अच्छे beaches है and all of that. That's it. We are going to our airport now. Bye bye.